Want to make real money with digital products? Here's a fast breakdown of 6 products making people 5 figures a month with 90% profit margins. First, we've got SVG files for earrings. These are laser-cut designs that you can sell in massive bundles to boost perceived value. One store, $118,000 a month. Next is planning templates, budgeting, wedding, habit trackers, all built in Notion or Google Sheets. Make a few, bundle them, and you've got a 28K per month product. Printable wall art next. Pre-made or personalized. Add print on demand to offer physical versions without touching inventory. One shop pulls in over $100,000 a month. Check out Printify to do this. And number 4, we have video templates. Ready-made Canva files for short-form content. Creators buy these to save time. And finally, we have website templates with setup service. Sell the template, upsell the install, then offer monthly retainers. That's how DesignJoy makes $100,000 a month. Start on Etsy to validate. Move to Shopify to scale. You build once and you can sell forever.